to my channel one more time. We are back with another recipe for teeth whitening. This is wow. Here we have again 4 main ingredients. I have tomato, I have carrots, I have mint leaves, and I have my toothpaste. We are going to scrape and grate our carrots. So this is my carrots, already washed, ready for grating. So we grate. This is the grated carrot, ready for extraction. This is my half lemon, so I have to juice it as usual. My half lemon, just a little this time, okay? This is good enough. This is my tomatoes. I'm going to cut it and juice it out. So, cut it and juice it out this way. This is the juice I need. Good. All right. My number 4 ingredient is mint leaf. So I'm going to wash and juice it out also. Yeah. So this is my lemon, my mint leaf. My mint leaf, I'm juicing it out, squeeze it, is the juice I need. So I can squeeze it very well and juice it out. I like the fragrance of the mint leaf. Wow. So yes, I have my mint juice. This is the carrot extraction to get the carrot juice. So press it, get my carrot juice. Yeah. Okay. Carrot juice. This is my carrot juice. And this is my lemon juice. I add my lemon juice. I add my lemon juice to my carrot juice. I add my tomato juice. This is my tomato juice. Okay. And then I add my mint juice. This is my mint juice. Very good. So I mix them all. Then the next thing is to add my toothpaste to the mixture of the juices. Okay, so I can now have my teeth whitening paste ready for use. This is it. So I'm going to mix it until I have it evenly distributed. Alright, so this is it. You mix it very well like this. Our tooth whitening recipe is ready. So you just take from here, brush morning and night, or as many times as you desire. Alright, thank you very much. This is it. Your teeth whitening therapy is ready. God bless you. You take from it, brush in the morning and night, or as many times as you want to. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to hit that button and like this video. Share with your friends. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.